Is your immunity low? Have you ever heard this expression? You probably did. Saying someone's immunity is low means that their defense system is weakened. When that happens, viruses and bacteria can harm your immune system. If you are always down with a cold, feeling tired, or have any other issues related to low immunity, it is time you give your immune system a boost. Why not use mallow? Mallow contains properties that stimulate the immune system and avoid bacterial infections. According to a study by the Brazilian Health Ministry, mallow's anti-inflammatory and expectorant actions aid the treatment of respiratory diseases, alleviating congested chest, soothing the throat, and relieving cough and symptoms of bronchitis, pharyngitis, and laryngitis. It also fights and prevents colds and flu. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. To make a mallow syrup to prevent respiratory diseases and boost your immunity, you will need 30 to 40 mallow leaves, 1 cup brown sugar. Thoroughly rinse the mallow leaves and let them dry to remove the excess water. Then add the ingredients to a pot, making alternate layers. 1 layer of leaves, another of sugar. The last layer should be leaves. Take it to medium heat and cook until it dehydrates and reaches a honey-like consistency. Store in a dark, sterilized glass jar. If you don't have any, wrap a regular glass container in aluminum foil. Keep it in the fridge and consume it within 30 days. The recommended dose is up to 5 tablespoons a day, or whenever your cough gets intense. Whenever cold symptoms show up, make this syrup to accelerate your recovery. Did you know this recipe already? Try it and tell us how it went. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.